I know you have been trading using the Bollinger Band and also the RSI. In fact, most traders usually use the RSI, including me, and also the Bollinger Band. But in this video today, I'll be showing you how to modify this strategy, combining the Bollinger Band and also the RSI trading that actually works. Now, this trading strategy actually works. Now, whether it is on 1 hour time frame, whether it is on 15 minutes time frame, this strategy works. Now, this is not just for currency pair. Now, look at GBP AUD. This is not just for currency pair. This video also works with our um, indices. It works with our indices. You can see it. It works with our indices. It works with our indices perfectly. Perfectly. It is not only for currency pair. Look at it. It works with our indices. Now, this is just the default settings. And now let me explain Bollinger Bank for you so you understand. Now we are combining, like I said, we are combining two indicators. We are using Bollinger Band and also our relative strength index. Now this is actually a simple strategy that is actually um, used in order for us to identify reversal, but we need the RSI in order for us to filter our trade. Now the Bollinger Band will actually help us to also trade, but there are some extremes that are attached to the Bollinger Band. Now, I want us to understand that the middle line, this middle line is our moving average, while this line and this line, the upper and the down line, are our standard deviation. Now, we have two standard deviation and we have one moving average, which is the middle line. The moving average is at the middle. These ones are our standard deviation. Now this standard deviation help to give us level of support and resistance. Now most of my videos you hear me talking about support and resistance. Why? Because support and resistance is very powerful in forex trading. Very powerful in forex trading. These two are our what? Support and resistance zone. Always try to give us support on it. Now this also can serve as area of take profit, and it can also serve as area of take profit. Now how do they function? Now I want us to understand that we have some settings which we'll do. Now this is, like I said, this is the default. Look at it, it's the default. I'm not adding anything. I'll add later, but not now. We'll modify later, but not now. Now we'll add our relative strength index. Now we're using the period 13, everybody. We're using the period 13, using period 13, and then 25 and 75. Now critical buy and then critical sell. Yes, so we have critical buy and critical what sell. Now it means that price might not reach the critical area, but when it reaches the critical area, it's actually a no-going zone. It means that no matter what price we would reverse. You see it. Look at here. Look at here. Definitely, that will be what? That will be reversal. That will be reversal. Now we are using the RSI and the Bollinger Band. Now, how do we use this? Now, for you to for you to buy, for you to buy, you wait for when price is below the standard deviation, at this standard deviation, and then you see a clear pattern. You see something like this. See a clear pattern, a clear pattern, very clear pattern. See it. Here comes a pullback and then it continues. When you see price must be below this place, that's just it, at this lower boundary. Price must be at the lower boundary. Price must be also either close or at 30. Either close or at 30. Once it is like that, you enter the trade and take profit once it touches the Bollinger Bank or once it reaches the 70 or the 75 here. Now, that's how to trade it. Now, if we are selling, look at here. If we are selling, look at what happened here. It continues. But when you look at here, you discover that it's actually a signal. There was no really a chart pattern attached to it, and also we are trading in direction of the trend, so we are only looking forward for a buying opportunity for us to go bullish. So this is another opportunity for us to go bullish, an opportunity for us to go bullish. Remember, it is level of rise plus consolidation, level of rise plus consolidation, level of rise. Now, so if you have understand that, you discover that there is actually no sense for us to sell at this place. So we wait because it is more of buying. Now let's go to 15 minutes time frame. You discover that it serves as a boundary. The upper bank and the lower bank, look at this, serve as boundaries. Look at it, serve as boundary, but these boundaries are not actually perfect. Now for us to get a perfect boundary, we want to modify this. Now we're going to modify the settings of our Bollinger Bank to 30, 30, and click save. Now combining with the RSI, look at what we have. 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 Very perfect. Very, very perfect. Good reversal. Now look at it. You see our support is giving us good support, good resistance. Look at it. Now this setting of this Bollinger Bank, not everybody will give you these settings for free. Yes, as simple as it is. Now look at how this happened. Okay, let me take it back to the higher time frame when we're buying. Yes, look at how it is. So sorry, please, there was obstruction. So look at how it is perfect. It serves as what boundaries. Once it reach it, it reverse. Once it reach it, it what reverse. Also with our, look at our this instrument also. Look at it. Look at it. Once it reaches the boundaries, the area of support and resistance, it reverses. It reverses. So that is how powerful it is. So we used our RSI to filter the trade. Now we are going for a buy. You see it. Look at our RSI. So this is a very powerful strategy. Watch this video over and over, gain understanding before you use it. It will change your trading career forever. See you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Kindly share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.